On behalf of Expert Village, this is Dina Catrone of Tall Order in New York City. And today we're going to be showing you how to make a quick and easy Thai dinner. So let's review the ingredients we're going to use for the chicken marinade. So I have them all out here. I have some spices, and then I have a shallot. We're going to use it's supposed to be about 3 shallots, but this is a very big one, so I'm just going to use one. This is for about a pound of chicken. I have 2 garlic cloves and about an inch piece of ginger that will actually grate up there. That'll be in the marinade. And then I have a combination of spices here that I already measured out, but you'll see the orange one is turmeric, and then we also have cumin and coriander ground up, and then the white is actually salt. So those are some of the dry ingredients that are going into the marinade. And then we also, as I was talking about before, we're going to be putting some sugar in, so that'll get into the chicken as well. And also we're going to be adding in some extra virgin olive oil, which I will get out of the closet right now. So the oil will help to marinate the chicken. So those are the ingredients for that. And then I actually, back here, I have the chicken that I will show you how I like to cut it up. So this is, like I said, it's probably about 3/4 of a pound of chicken. So we'll put it into cubes, and that'll be our chicken satay.